This is a very simple and short tutorial about using comments in Bash. You can use single comment or multiple comments in Bash using various ways. Using simple comment is very simple. Just use hash symbol before the line to make the line comment. This example shows the use of single comment. So what this script will do here, print a simple text. This is a comment, and this will not interpret, and this will not show in the output. And next echo command is pass. Another command is here, 10 with, add 10 with 20 and store the value name. Commenting is mainly used to help the help the reader to understand the code properly. And here two numbers are added and here printed, and this is also a comment. So 3 single line comments is used here. We save the file com1.bash its name and run the script from here. Bash, and what is my file name? com1.bash. So you can see that it is just showing the output and commenting line are omitted. And this is a single line comment. And the second example is about multi-line comment. You can use multi-line comment in Bash two ways. First of all is by using head document, and another one using colon. So I'm showing the use of head document first. Script. To use head document, you have to start with double angular bracket, left angular bracket, and head doc name or delimiter long comment. And what text you have used and ending the comments you have to use at the end of the comment. So 3-line comment is added here. This script is used to calculate the queue of number with value 5. So this is single line comment. This one is also single line comments, and it will calculate the cube of a number, and number value is 5. If the name is com2.bash, and now run the script. com2.bash. Now you can see the cube value, and these all are working as comments. And another way of multiple line comment is to using colon. This script shows the use of colon. Here, to use this, you have to start with colon and a single quote, and after that you can write multi-line comments and end the comments with another single quote. Like this way, you can add multi-line comments in Bash. And the script is checking the value of n is even or odd. com3.bash. So now if I run the script com3, the comments are omitted and the output is showing the number is odd. Here the number is 15. Okay, it is all about commenting in Bash. Hope you are now able to use comment in Bash properly in single line comment or multi-line comment.